Hello friends, I'm Raihana. Welcome to my channel. Now let's make some garlic paneer, which is the best combination with fried rice. I'm using here 250 grams of paneer, 10 garlic cloves, some beans, carrot, green chili, onions and some cabbage. Then we need some sauce. I have taken here tomato ketchup, soya bean sauce, oyster sauce, some vinegar and sugar. Firstly, add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce to the paneer and mix well. Then we have to fry the paneer in oil. Once the paneer becomes firm, we can take out the paneer into a plate and in the same oil we can saute vegetables one by one. Firstly, I am adding garlic and let the garlic become light brown. Once the garlic is light brown, we can add beans, onions and carrot. Then mix them well. Let it cook for 30 seconds and then you can add cabbage. Mix the cabbage with other vegetables and allow to cook for 30 seconds again. Then you can add some black pepper powder as per your taste, followed by the sauces. Firstly, we are adding the oyster sauce 1 tablespoon. Then add soya sauce around 2 tablespoons. Mix the oyster sauce and soya sauce well into the vegetables. Add tomato sauce around 2 tablespoons. Mix well and add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Again mix all the ingredients together. Next is to add chicken stock or any vegetable stock. The recipe to make chicken stock is given in the description box below. If you don't have time to make the chicken stock from scratch, then just take 1 cube of ready-made chicken stock and dissolve it in 1 glass of hot water. You can add this chicken stock to the vegetable mix. Then add fried paneer to it. Then allow the gravy to cook for 5 minutes with the lid closed. After 5 minutes, adjust salt. And the last process is to thicken the gravy by adding cornstarch slurry. That's it. Your tasty garlic paneer is ready to serve. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please do like, comment and share with your friends and family. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. So, see you soon in another episode. Till that time, you all take care and bye-bye.